Hey guys, want to bring you another quick update on our 2013 Dodge Dart project car. We recently installed an NRG 50.5 inch harness bar in preparation for some Brom Racing Elite bucket seats as well as Scroth Racing Rally Cross harnesses. The bar is exactly the way it comes out of the box. There are no modifications to the bar themselves and only very minor modifications to the car, mostly involving just the plastic panels on the B-pillars. But as you see, when you take the panels off, the top part of the button for the up and down slider here will actually pop off of there, leaving just the bottom half, which then can be cut away with some tin snips or X-Acto knife, whatever you have. But then essentially you just take off that nut there that's in the video and you put the harness bar in place, tighten the nut back up with some Loctite. As far as the supports go, the only modification down here we made is we notched this panel out down here to expose the bolt to the pre-tensioner. We removed that bolt, got a longer 7/16 inch bolt in order for it to go through that eyelet, through the pre-tensioner and back to where it was. Other than that, that's pretty straightforward. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.